Welcome to my tutorial. I found a fix for Call of Duty Warzone crash to desktop without error, which happens after game gets update. I tried many solutions but none worked for me except reinstalling the whole game of 91 GB. So here is the solution. Follow me. Just go to the game folder and delete following files. All files except folders in game directory. Go to Data folder and delete Config and Indices folder. Go to Main folder and right-click anywhere on empty space and go to View and click on Details. Then delete .dcahce files. Open Run and type %programdata% in Open Delete Blizzard Entertainment folder. Folder. Don't worry, it's cache folder and will be created automatically. Restart Blizzard and click play. Files will be downloaded automatically. Also, after starting game, let the installing shaders process complete till 100% before joining any match. In case files did not download automatically, then scan and repair the game from Blizzard and your game will be fixed. Note, it worked for me, may not work for you, but it's worth a try. Also, for other issues, increase your paging file memory as this game needs a lot of space. Update graphic drivers. Install all Visual C++ runtime redistributables from 2005 to 2019. Reinstall dcahce. Do not run game at ultra settings. Run game as administrator. Administrator. This should fix a lot of issues. Please like and subscribe if I helped and support me.